Happiness isn't tangible, so it isn't something that we can capture in a jar or buy. But although happiness is not solely determined by material possessions, there are certain things that we can buy that might enhance our overall well-being and by extension increase our mood. And the good news is that many of these purchases will not break the bank. So the first purchase that can help increase your happiness is indoor plants. These can add a touch of natural beauty and freshness to your space, and their vibrant colors can make any room more visually pleasing and inviting. But aesthetics is not the only reason to surround yourself with nature, because indoor plants can also increase happiness. The presence of greenery alone has actually been shown to reduce stress levels and promote relaxation. And likewise, indoor plants can have a calming effect on our minds, helping to alleviate anxiety and tension while creating a tranquil environment where we can unwind. Additionally, studies have shown that having indoor plants in our workspace or study area can enhance mood and increase productivity. And don't worry if you don't have a green thumb. If you're like me and you tend to kill most things that you bring into the house, the good news is that artificial plants can activate a similar psychological response, which can also help boost mood. The second item you can buy to increase happiness is exercise equipment. Now, the obvious benefit of this is the convenience of working out at home, which saves time and eliminates traveling to a gym. But aside from the convenience factor, this is another purchase that can help you feel better mentally and emotionally. Physical activity triggers the release of endorphins, often referred to as feel-good hormones. And when these hormones interact with receptors in the brain, they help reduce pain and promote feelings of euphoria and happiness. So with all that being said, regular exercise can help reduce stress, anxiety, and symptoms of depression. And the best part is that it can start improving your mood in as little as 10 minutes. So if you're feeling down, having exercise equipment in your home readily available can be a fast and convenient way to feel better. You can also buy comfortable bedding, which can include a new mattress, a mattress topper, pillows, and sheets. These items can play a crucial role in promoting better sleep quality, because when you're on a comfortable, supportive surface, you might wake up less frequently and enjoy deeper, more restful sleep. But on the other hand, an uncomfortable sleep environment can have the opposite effect. Whether the mattress is the wrong firmness or your comforter is too hot, poor sleep quality can affect brain function and reduce serotonin levels. Now, what you consider comfortable might be different from someone else. Now, for me personally, it's all about creating a soft, cool environment, which involves having soft, cooling sheets, as well as a cooling mattress topper and pillow. And the best part is that most of these items are not expensive. Other items you can buy to increase happiness include books. Now, some people might view reading as boring or as a chore, but don't immediately kick the idea to the side, because it can also have a positive impact on our well-being. What you might not realize is that reading can have a calming effect on the mind and body, especially when it's done in a quiet and peaceful environment. The act of immersing ourselves in a book and focusing on the words and storyline can reduce anxiety and promote a state of calm, which can increase happiness. And keep in mind too that reading requires focused attention and concentration. And because of that, it also encourages mindfulness, because you're being absorbed in the present moment. This can help quiet a racing mind, improve mental clarity, and reduce negative thoughts. And I know that audiobooks are extremely convenient, but from time to time, it's also good to actually hold a book in your hand. This is because flipping through the pages of a physical book allows you to feel the texture, which can provide a tactile experience that some people might find enjoyable and comforting. In addition, you can buy essential oils. Now, these are widely known for their therapeutic properties, so the fact that they might contribute to happiness probably isn't a surprise. Certain essential oils, such as lavender and citrus oils, have been shown to have mood-enhancing properties. Whether inhaled or diffused, they can trigger the release of serotonin and dopamine, which again are associated with feelings of happiness. In addition, other essential oils, such as peppermint and rosemary, have energizing properties, which can help fight fatigue and improve focus. And some of these also promote relaxation, so using them in a bedtime bath might help you sleep better, which can lead to better mood and increase happiness during waking hours. But of course, individual results can vary, and some people might find that certain scents are more calming than others, so you'll need to experiment and determine which ones work best for you. And the final thing you can buy to increase happiness is art supplies. Engaging in art projects can impact happiness in many ways. Whether it's painting, drawing, sculpting, or crafting, art can serve as a therapeutic outlet for processing difficult experiences. It can help you release pent-up emotions, which can contribute to emotional healing, and the process of creating something can sometimes provide a sense of fulfillment and personal satisfaction, contributing to increased happiness. And different art projects might be more beneficial than others. So if you're sad, you might try tear art, where you're able to release emotions by tearing paper or tissue and using the torn pieces to create layered artwork. Or you might create a collage of positive images, or perhaps a vision board that represents your goals, dreams, and ambitions. So that's all that I have for you guys today. Don't forget to like, comment, and share, and also subscribe if you like personal finance and you want to see more videos like this. I typically post every weekend, so thank you again for watching, and I'll see you in a few days.